Every artist wants their work to be appreciated and valued. But beyond the brushstrokes, colors, or subject matter, there are a few simple steps you can take to actually increase the value of your artwork. The first way? Frame it properly. A frame isn't just decoration, it's protection, presentation, and professionalism. Think about it, a print tossed in a poster frame feels temporary, but the same piece, placed in a solid wood frame with archival matting and glass, suddenly looks gallery-ready. Collectors and buyers notice that difference. A premium frame signals that the piece is worth investing in. That's the power of perceived value. The second way to add value is by using an art show kit, things like mats, backing boards, and clear protective sleeves. These details make your work not only look polished, but also help preserve it. Mats give breathing room to your art, backing boards provide support, and protective sleeves keep dust and fingerprints away. If you're preparing for a gallery show, an art fair, or even selling online, packaging your work this way sets you apart as a professional. Buyers want to know that what they're taking home is going to last. And the third way to add value is by adding a certificate of authenticity. This small but powerful document tells collectors that what they're purchasing is original, verified, and truly one of a kind. Certificates can include your signature, the title of the work, the date, materials used, and even a note on the story of the piece. So let's recap. Frame your work with premium materials, protect and present it with an art show kit, and give collectors peace of mind with a certificate of authenticity. These 3 steps help you not only raise the value of your artwork, but also elevate the way it's seen and remembered.